Did you know glaciers can create giant potholes? As glaciers move, they carry rocks and debris, which grind into the bedrock below. Over thousands of years, this grinding action forms deep circular holes, known as glacial potholes. These natural wonders can be found in places like the Giant's Kettle in Finland. Imagine a pothole so big you could fit a car inside. It's a quirky reminder of nature's power and patience. Next time you see a pothole, think of the icy giant that might have carved it. Like, comment, and subscribe for more icy tales.